Hello, I'm Emily and I've been trading for 3 years now, achieving a win rate of 89%. Today I will share with you my results for the last week and reveal the strategy that makes me trading successful. Stay tuned to find out all the details and secrets. If you want to achieve the same results, go to my Telegram channel via the link in the description. There you will find a bunch of bonuses, strategies and other useful materials. See you there! In the meantime, let's get down to business. I will show you how you can make a large sum of money using my strategy. Interested? Let's go! Friends, I want to remind you that in my previous videos you will find other cool and working strategies for making money on trading. The most exciting part of my new video is my new strategy, which is guaranteed to work. My strategy is based on two key indicators, rate of change and ZigZag. With their help, I determine the direction of the chart movement. Here's how it works. If the indicator line crosses the average value and goes up, this is a signal to increase. If the line does not cross the middle line and moves down, open a deal to decrease. It's very simple. For your strategy to work, you need to set the same settings as mine. First, set the chart type to Hacking Asha, time frame to 30 minutes, then turn on the indicators. Rate of change and ZigZag. You can see the settings of this indicator on the screen. We put the Canadian dollar and Japanese yen currency pair. The transaction time is 30 seconds. Now let's move on to the transactions. We open our first transaction for an increase in the amount of $45. Since there is a strong downward trend on the chart and a rollback into a bullish candle begins. We see how our first transaction confidently comes out. The balance is $86. For the second transaction, we put the amount of $86, analyze the situation and make a transaction for an increase. Here, the general movement of the chart is upward and we see how the indicator line crosses the average value and moves upward. There are our signals for an increase. My choice is pocket option and I'm absolutely satisfied with it. This is an honest broker with whom I have never had problems. Withdrawals are fast and transparent. Join my Telegram channel to get a referral link and start earning on this platform. Our second deal is completed in a plus. Our balance is already $158. Now we are looking for the next suitable situation and this time we open a deal for an increase. In this case, the indicator shows us a rise in the chart and the general movement is going up. The chart has no support points, so our 30-second deal gives an advance. So the deal is completed. The next correct deal in a row. We see our balance at $239. The last deal will be for an increase. In this case, the indicator shows us a general upward movement. The line rises and moves up. There are confident signals for an increase in the currency pair. So the deal is over. The last deal is completed successfully. We see our balance at $401. Want to see new strategies more often? Like, subscribe to this channel and wait for new effective and working strategies. Be sure to watch my next videos where I will share new and more profitable strategies for trading. Ready to start earning more? Join our trading group and receive regular signals for profitable trades. Let's work together on your financial future. Link in the description.